Welcome to Neon Cobra. Before we kick into it, I'd ask you to like and subscribe to get timely updates such as these. And with that, let's get into it. Fantastic. This one is going to be more of a service announcement that is actually quite timely. So I would say January 31st, Microsoft has stopped selling the premium Power BI P1 and P2 SKUs. These were the tenant-wide SKUs that would allow you to post your own Power BI reports and not have to license everyone with the per user licensing. So over a year ago, they released Microsoft Fabric. And part of this, as you may have seen in previous videos, the F64 was the equivalent of the P1 SKU and the F128 was equivalent to the P2. This has all of the similar benefits and offerings, such as the multi-per user licensing, as well as the ability to, leverage additional feature sets like the one lake storage and the Copilot around the data analytics stuff. Really, really cool. Now, a lot of organizations maybe didn't want to migrate their workspaces, but now we really don't have a choice. Effective February 1st, you are no longer able to renew these licenses, which means if you are on a month to month commit using a P1 or a P2, when it attempts to renew this month, it will fail and the workspaces themselves will be locked. So, what we need to do is we need to migrate to the equivalent F series SKU. Now, Microsoft has provided migration steps, which I'll be sure to link in the comments, as well as the ability to leverage Cloud Migration Factory for extremely large workloads. Now, this needs to be actioned through your provider. So if you're a Pax8 partner, reach out to your infrastructure consultant. If you're not sure who that is, reach out to me. If you are unable to get assistance from your current distributor, feel free to reach out to me. We can see about getting you some assistance. This can be quite impactful for very heavy data-driven organizations. So I do want to make sure nothing gets lost through the cracks. Now, the handful of partners that I have that are using these have already been reached out and contacted, and we're in the process of facilitating this. If you are on a 1-year NCE and it is not set to renew to say like July or August, you're fine until that date. It's the renewal that will not function. Anyways, I'll provide a bunch of info in the comments like I always do. Any questions, please reach out. Echo this to your networks because this can be impacting to a lot of organizations that were not made aware of this. Catch you next time.